I'll be showing you the top Black Friday apps for your Shopify store. All of these apps are going to help increase urgency and hopefully help to increase sales in what is such a great sales period. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their pricings, features, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. We have GSC Countdown Timer Bar. Now, this one is great because you can highlight your Black Friday sales, hoping to increase that sense of scarcity on your Shopify store. So overall, here are what they look like. It's pretty easy to set up. You can have different themes here, such as this Black Friday Epic Deals one, which is what I think you would look to set up here. Same applies for this pop-up as well. Overall, makes it super easy to set up and insert on your product page to help encourage customers to buy during this sales window. One of the best parts about this is that it's completely free as well. It has great reviews with a 4.9 star rating with over 200 5-star reviews. Merchants appreciate its user-friendly setup and seamless integration. Next up, we want an app that's going to make it easy to create discounts for your customers with quantity breaks. So this app is called Easy Bundles Quantity Breaks. And it makes it super easy to set up both product page and checkout page post-purchase page bundles, as well as on the checkout page itself. So this is going to encourage customers to buy multiple. So rather than just buying one, you can increase that average order value significantly if you can give them a small discount if they order multiple of the same product. It also gives you tracking offers, analytics, so you can see how well these product page, checkout page, and post-purchase upsell offers are doing. It also includes A/B testing, as well as one-click publish volume discounts. And again, this app is completely free and has a perfect 5-star rating with 49 5-star reviews. Next up, we have an app called Hextom Upsell Sales Boost. So again, this is going to increase the average order value, which is so important to really maximize the customer value, as you'll be paying the same amount to acquire a customer, but if you can increase the amount they're purchasing, offering them the same product or similar products they might like, this can really help increase profitability. So this app is going to include 30 plus conversion boosting tools that work on your landing page to the checkout. So you can deploy features such as upsells, buy one, get one, product bundles, volume discounts, and more. So this is one of those all-in-one apps that includes a ton of features. As an example, you can promote sales on the homepage or collection pages with these badges here. And it's going to include a bunch of stuff you can include on your product page. So if you look at a lot of the top e-commerce stores, they have a lot of these features here, from trust badges to countdown timers to countdown bars, as well as shipping timing here, as customers can know they can get their orders prior, especially to the holidays. You can also promote sales on the cart page. So if a customer's on the cart page, they're very close to checking out at this point. So if you can increase their average order value here, it's a great way to do so. They also have curated templates with no coding required, so it's super easy to set this app up. So there is a free plan with this app that gives you some of the features here, such as payment badges, inventory countdown, countdown timers, product targeting, and more. And pricing starts at $9.99, goes up to $29.99, depending on the exact feature set you're looking for. It's a great rating at 4.8 stars with over 1.3 thousand 5-star reviews. And merchants highly recommend this app for boosting sales and conversions through upsells and cross-sell offers. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. You have all your different costs, from your cost of goods sold, all your ad spend, transaction fees, chargebacks, and much more. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator that makes it super easy to get the exact profit that your store has made. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking to analyze, and it's going to give you all your profitability metrics, as well as a ton of different analytics, so you can start making smarter business decisions. And it syncs seamlessly with your Shopify store, so you can get set up in just seconds. I'll leave a link in the description below. There's a 15-day free trial where you can test drive everything for yourself, and their customer support is great. Just click the chat bubble in the bottom right here. So again, I'll leave a link in the description below. Make sure you check that out. Lastly, we have an app called FOMO Sales Pop-Up Social Proof. So what this is going to do is going to help increase trust on your store. So similar to if you were walking into a mall, as an example, if you saw a store that was really busy, it would help increase your trust, as you must think that, hey, there's a lot of people in there, they're purchasing products, it must be really popular. So this is an app that's going to provide a similar effect online, such as pop-ups to show who else is adding things to their cart, what they're looking at, and orders that have been recently placed. So you have your visitor counter, gamification, low stock alerts, and features such as a browser flashing tab. So it makes it super easy to set all of these up. You can see how they look here. You also get a gamification coupon box. So it's a clickable coupon code on the product page, and it's going to include a countdown timer to help increase that sense of scarcity. This app is also completely free as well, and it has an excellent 4.9 star rating with just shy of 100 5-star reviews. And merchants highly recommend this app for boosting online store performance, and they praise its ease of use, reliability, and customizable options. So this includes all the apps we're going to take a look at in this video for the top Black Friday apps to help increase sales during the Black Friday period. All of these apps are either free or have a generous free plan, and I'll leave links in the description below so you can check them all out. If you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.